Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix error code 761. The system is now ready for hibernation. Error hibernate ready on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of Windows hibernation error code, then here are the fixes. And the first one is right click on start button and choose settings. Here in the settings page from the left side, scroll down and click on Windows update. Thereafter, go to right side and click on check for updates, and if any updates available, simply download and install it in your system. And thereafter scroll down and choose advanced options. Here scroll down and click on optional updates. And if any optional updates are available, download and install it. Sometimes outdated operating system or driver may be a cause of various type of hibernation error issued. So update your OS or driver. The next workaround is right click on start button and choose run. In run dialog box, type the command services.msc. This command will open services windows in your system. Click on OK. Services windows will now open. Here look for the services volume shadow copy. Scroll down and look for volume shadow copy. Right click on it and choose start, and if you found it already in a start mode, then restart volume shadow copy. In my case it is in a stop mode, so choose start. Thereafter apply a double click on it to open its properties and go to a startup type section and set it as automatic, and finally click on apply and OK to save the changes. So start or restart volume shadow copy on your Windows 11 and 10 system, and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. A pop-up window will appear. Here choose yes. In command prompt windows, execute the command chkdsk c:/r. chkdsk scan. Press enter. Check the next time system restarts. Type Y and press enter. It will scan your system after restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. Click on yes. Command prompt windows will now open. Here execute the command sfc/scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files and repair them accordingly. Wait till 100% verification complete. Once completed, don't forget to restart your system and check whether your system error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. In command prompt windows, choose yes and here execute the command as shown on screen to turn off hibernation mode of your system. Power CFG-H space off. Execute this command in command prompt windows and press enter. It will power off your hibernation mode in your system. Press enter, and once your hibernation successfully turned off, restart your system and hopefully your problem will definitely be resolved. That's all.